Hi everyone, welcome to your new rewards and recognition platform. Today I'm really excited to introduce you to this new program and show you a demo of how it actually works. So when you receive that invite, you're going to have a link and you can log in directly through your SSO, which is really great. You are going to be directed to this unique URL at the top here, and you can save this to your browser for quick access. But we also have an app available if that works better for you. So this is available on Apple and Android devices. You can come to our resource section here and there's some QR codes to download it, or just simply search Bucketlist Rewards in your Google Play or Apple Store and you will find our app that you can download and use exactly like I'm going to show you today. So of course, when you do get logged in, down the middle here, you are going to see the activity feed, and this is where you get to come and celebrate together as a team and really get to see all of the amazing work that is happening on a day-to-day basis. So feel free to come scroll through and really share in that celebration that your team is really taking the time to share with others and their colleagues. On the left here, you will see a navigation panel that you can come and access other parts of our platform. So I'm going to go over the key ones today, but feel free to come and click through and really just see all of the amazing features of the system. Now, before I get into a recognition, I do just want to really point out a part of the system, and that is points. So really sending those recognitions, the words on the page, that is going to really be the big part of this program. And you're going to see very quickly how meaningful it is to receive a recognition from your colleagues. But as a little bonus, and that you get to add to those recognitions, are points. And these points have a monetary value. So you get to choose to attach points to a recognition, which I'll show you in a second, to your colleagues, again, just to really boost that recognition. These points you get every month. So as you click on how do points work, you'll really see for yourself, depending on your role at VMS, how many points you get and when they expire. So these points do expire, your points to give. This just really encourages a consistent use of your points and really allows for you to get reminders to come in, use their points. And so you don't forget and they just add up and then you need to get rid of all these points. So this way we really build that habit of coming into the system and sending those recognitions. So these will slowly deplete, but you don't need points to attach to a recognition. You can always attach 0. Maybe you just want to have a shout out, or you've run out of points for a month. Don't stop sending them. It really, again, is about the recognition. Now, the next balance of points here, these are the points that you accumulate yourself as you receive recognitions and awards in the system. So there are work anniversary awards in the system, birthday awards in the system, and other ones that might come down the line from your team. And they all go into the same balance here, where you get to build them up and then head to the marketplace. And again, redeem a reward as a bonus for all of the hard work that you put in daily. These points do not expire, so you get to keep building up these balance of points for as long as you need to. I'll show you that you can redeem something really quick, $5 Starbucks gift card, or there's some experiences that might take a little bit of time for you to build up those points to redeem. So quickly, in regards to those awards that are in the system, I did just want to highlight this edit profile. When you first log in, I encourage you to come to this page right away, and there's a few things that you can add to your profile to really get started. So first, a profile photo. So this just puts a face to the name that's getting posted on the recognition feed, and this is just adding to that social feel of the system. You can also add an about section, some fun facts about yourself, maybe what's on your bucket list. This is a great way for your team to get to know you in the community section. And then lastly, you do have the ability to opt out of any of the automated awards in the system. So this includes birthday or work anniversary awards. So we do recognize that this is not an award that everybody wants to be recognized for, and that's totally fine. So you can just simply check either one of these off if you want, and save those changes, and you won't receive those awards at all. Now, just to note, you won't receive those points. You are opting out of receiving the award altogether. So just keep that in mind when you are coming to this page. Okay, so let's get into the fun stuff here and actually go through how to send a recognition. So when you're ready to recognize your colleague for the amazing work that they're doing, for going above and beyond, you get to come into this section here and start typing those names. So I have a few people on the team that have helped get this platform ready, and so I'll put some of them in this recognition here. You can recognize one, or you can recognize multiple people. So as I keep typing, you can see that a list of names are going to pop up, really helping you to know who you are recognizing. So you can just keep putting in names as you want, a whole team, and again, an individual, which is really great. You also can put in why you are recognizing them. So this, we really want to be as detailed and specific as possible. So this really goes a long way when we're adding the details of, why you're recognizing them, what it meant to you, what it meant to others, especially when you go through and read the activity feed. These ones are really going to stand out. Okay, so we have our message, and then we get to choose if we want to add points. So again, you can always choose a 0-point recognition, or you can choose from the drop down or put your custom amount of points in. So I'll choose 5 there. Next, we are going to choose a core value, and this just really centers the VMS core values around the work that you are doing on a day-to-day basis, which is really great to see. So you can choose as many as you think are reflected in your recognition. Then feel free to have some fun with it. So there's some photos you can upload. Maybe an event happened and you want to highlight that. Feel free to upload that. There's a few emojis here, but a really fun part, and probably as you saw when I was scrolling through, is the GIFs. So this is a really great way to just put a smile on someone's face. It's purely optional, but a really fun way to highlight your recognition. So this is ready now. I simply click post. When I have multiple people in this recognition, it's just wanting me to double check. Did I want to split up those 5 points evenly between everyone? Or did I want to give everyone 5 points? So I'll split that up. And you can now see that my recognition to the team was created successfully. And this is where now everyone else gets to come in and show their support for recognitions that others are sending. So you can comment on it, congratulate them. You can like it by clicking this heart. So really a great way to engage with this platform, of course, is to send your own recognitions, but it's a really great way to come in and also, share that celebration with people that you don't get to work closely with. Another way that you get to engage is actually the ability to add points to your recognition that you didn't send or you're not a part of. So you'll see this little plus sign on any that I'm, again, not originally a part of, where I get to come in and add recognition or points to this, which again is a really great way to show your support for the work that someone is doing. You'll see as you hover over it who has added points to the system. So some really great ways, again, to really just spread that positive energy, build a great culture, and start recognizing all those little things that add up to the big wins at VMS. So of course, we do have a redeem section, but first I would love to just highlight the resource section here, because this gives us some ideas that your team has come together and provided to really give you some ideas of what behavior might be really great to recognize. So you can come read through these items, and maybe something stands out to you and someone has, really exemplified one of these behaviors. You can come in and think of a recognition around that, along with FAQs and of course those app QR codes to download. Now, to finish things off, I'm going to highlight the redeem section. So, of course, as you build up all those points from the recognitions you received, the service awards you're receiving, or anything else, you get to come into this section and scroll through and see if there's a reward that really stands out to you. So, the first section is experiences, and in kind of areas close to you, our team here at Bucketlist has curated options that you can come in and redeem. So when you are ready, you can come in and click any one of these. You'll see extra details within the experience itself and any fine print that you might need to know about. Once you've redeemed this, if I had enough points, a redeem button would pop up right here. And once you confirm that, our team here at Bucketlist gets notified that you've redeemed this experience, and we reach out to you with this voucher, or we confirm any details that we need. If there isn't an experience, we also have gift cards in the system. So there's over 150 gift cards here. So definitely there's probably something for everyone in this section, whether it's travel, whether you want to buy groceries for the week, maybe you want to stop and get a coffee on the way to work one day. You get to choose what's meaningful to you and how you want to use your hard-earned points, which is really amazing. So these are e-gift cards, and these, once you redeem them, get sent right to your email. So there's a bunch of different values that you get to choose from. Again, based on your points, you can choose the value of that gift card you want to redeem. And again, you confirm this, and within 1 to 3 business days, you will see this email in your inbox. Keep an eye on your junk mail just in case if you don't see it right away. But you can use this in person, in a storefront if there is one, online, print it off if you want something in your wallet, but a really fast way to receive your reward. We also have donations, so you have the ability to donate your points to a charity. So this is a really great way if you're looking to make a donation for the year. Come in here, see some of the options, and again, just like those gift cards, you pick the value of the donation. Just make sure to read any details and disclaimers on these options, just so you know how it all works. And then lastly, your team has come up with some really great options for you that they think you're going to love. So come scroll through your company-specific items, whether it's leaving early one day, coming into work later. You really have some extended lunch hours, dream jobs, so shadowing someone for a day. Really great options here. So your team will get notified when you redeem one of these options, and they'll reach out to you to be able to coordinate these options. So I hope this gets you very excited. That's really what I wanted to outline today. So again, you will be getting an invite and you can log in right away, start using it. If you ever need help or have questions, our team here at Bucketlist is here to help. First, we do have a knowledge base, so I encourage you to click this link first and see questions like login issues, how do I send a recognition, lots of support there for quick reference. But you can always reach out to your team if you need, or message us here at Bucketlist, and we're happy to answer your questions. So again, I hope you enjoyed this new rewards and recognition platform, and have a great day.